Hi, in this video I'll show how to make eggless chocolate cupcake with simple buttercream frosting. For this, in a bowl add 100 ml of milk and into that add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. This will churn your milk and it turns into buttermilk. Instead of milk and vinegar, you can also add 100 ml of buttermilk. In 1 tablespoon of water, add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. So this will enhance the taste of your cake. Now add vanilla essence of 1 teaspoon. Add butter of 2 tablespoons. You can also add oil. Now give it a nice mix. Into that add 200 grams of maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then a pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now sieve this all ingredients well. Now add 150 grams of powdered sugar and sieve that also. Now mix the cupcake batter well and in between add some milk in order to avoid the lumps. The consistency of the batter must not be too thick and too loose. So you can change the consistency by adding some milk, and this must be the consistency of the cupcake batter. Now in a tray, place your cupcake papers. Pour the cake batter until the paper gets filled half, because when you bake it, it will increase in size. So if you fill the paper before you bake, the cake will rise too much out of the cupcake mold. Now you can bake this or cook in kadai in a similar way I did in my previous cake video. Now I have baked it at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. So after baking, remove your cupcakes from the tray. To check if your cupcakes are baked properly, you can insert a toothpick into it and see if the toothpick has come dry. If it is wet, you have to bake it for another couple of minutes. Now I will show simple decoration with buttercream frosting. For that, take 100 grams of soft butter. It should not be too hard, it must be soft. Now with the electric beater, beat it for 10 minutes until the butter changes into pale color. You can also use hand whisk, but it will take too much of time. Don't beat it continuously for 10 minutes. In between you have to scrape the sides and bring the butter into center and then start beating it. See how the butter has changed its color from yellow to pale yellow color. Now take 200 grams of icing sugar. Icing sugar is nothing but the powdered sugar mixed with some corn flour. So when you add it, the cream will become thicker. Don't add it one at a time. Add it in batches until your butter gets frosted properly. Each time when you add the icing sugar, beat it for only 1 minute, not more than that. At this stage, add some vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon. Add 1 tablespoon of milk or cream. It is your choice. Now again beat it at last for a couple of minutes. You can see how the buttercream has frosted well, and if you take the cream up with the electric beater, you can see it forms stiff peaks. So this must be the consistency of the buttercream. You can do lots of decoration with this buttercream. Now I'll show simple decoration with that. Arrange your cupcakes over a tray. Now, in a glass, take your piping bag and add the buttercream into it. If you don't have piping bag, it is not a problem. You can use a plastic bag and cut it at the tip, from which you can do your designs over your cake. I have used a simple star nozzle. You can just make designs and decorations of your choice. At last, garnish your cupcakes with some tutti frutti and some choco chips. You can use any decorations of your choice. You can use color sprinklers and many such decoration ideas. See how beautiful the cupcakes are with the buttercream frosting, and it tastes too delicious. You should try this, and don't forget to leave your favorite recipe in the comment section. I'll see you all in my next video with an exciting recipes. Enjoy!